Academic Maths Nursery 4 Plus, page 5. Dear children, today we will have an activity day. It will cover colors and shapes that we learned a couple of days ago. Applying and writing. Trace and color this picture. Dear children, you may color different objects shown in this picture, as you have seen several times. For example, you know yellow color represents the sun. So fill yellow color in the sun. Now, do the rest yourself. Tick the red, cross the yellow, circle the blue, and color the green objects. The sunflower has yellow color, so cross the sunflower. The tomato has red color, hence tick the tomato. A frog has green color. Now color the frog in green. Dear teachers, revise all about colors and shapes while you are making the children do these activities. Assess what the children have learned well and what they are still lacking in. Involve them in discussion regarding colors and shapes with reference to objects they see in their immediate environment to enhance brainstorming. Have a nice day.